Pupils Book, page 40. Unit 3, Tunnels and Bridges. Reading.
Building for travel.
The longest road tunnel in the world is in Norway. It is 24.5 kilometres long.
Tunnels. People cross mountains by car or train, and they cross water by boat. But these journeys take time. Tunnels can go under mountains and under water. They make journeys much quicker. A tunnel is an enormous tube, and a tube is a very strong shape. When engineers build a tunnel, they make a tube shape in the ground. If the tunnel is not deep, the work is easier. Engineers use two cut and cover methods.
Method 1. First, the trench is dug by diggers. Then tubes are carefully lowered by cranes. Finally, the tubes are covered with earth by bulldozers. Method 2. First, the walls are made in the ground with concrete. Then the roof is made and covered with earth. Finally, the tunnel is dug by machines.
If the tunnel is deep, the engineers must use another method. They use an enormous machine to bore into the earth and rock. It is called a tunnel boring machine, TBM. It cuts rock and clears it away at the same time. It can cut and clear a 25 to 30 metre length of tunnel each day.
Cutting edges turn and break the rock into pieces. The rock pieces are carried away by a moving belt. Strong, thick rods push the machine forwards.
The Channel Tunnel joins England and France. It is a railway tunnel and it goes under the sea. Engineers used 4 TBMs at the same time to cut the tunnel. Bridges. People have built bridges across rivers for thousands of years. There are many different kinds of bridge.
Beam bridge. Beam. The weight of the bridge. Piers. Piers support the weight of the bridge.
The beam bridge is the simplest kind of bridge. A log or a plank across a stream is a short beam bridge. A long beam bridge is supported by piers at each end. This kind of bridge cannot cross a very wide river.
Arch bridge. The weight of the bridge. Arch. The shape of the arch helps to support a longer, heavier bridge.
An arch can support a lot of weight, so it can hold up a longer bridge. Some bridges are made of more than one arch. Bridges made by people long ago often had many arches. The Bridge of 33 Arches in Iran is 400 years old. This fascinating bridge has arches on 2 levels. In summer, it is full of visitors, and delighted children paddle in the shallow water underneath.
Suspension bridge. Cables. The weight of the bridge. High towers support long cables. Strong cables can support a very long bridge.
This kind of bridge can be even longer. The bridge is supported by strong cables. The cables are supported by tall towers. Suspension bridges are designed by engineers to cross wide rivers and sea channels.